We're in St. Louis today doing a screen and recoat with a small color correction. This is on-site finished. Typical 2¼ red oak in the Midwest area. And we're doing this hallway, and then we're doing the steps and the landing. This was a referral from Ed. So Ed, if you're watching, thanks for the referral. He owns a flooring company and flooring store. And of course, he referred us to this client of his to do the dustless, sandless screen and recoat, which is our maintenance same-day service. So they didn't want to go with the full sand. They just wanted to make it look improved. So you can just see they got some stuff there, just some miscellaneous stuff on the edges here. You guys can just see. And I told him I could do some small color correction to it, and then screen it down or braid it, get a good cut, and then coat it with satin sheen. So they're excited about that. A couple scratches here and there. You guys can see what she understands that is in the wood, and that will not come out because the screen recoat just braids the clear coat off and re-protects it with new, fresh clear coat. So we're doing these steps. This landing, steps right there. We're not going to do the risers. She's going to paint those white, but we are going to do the steps as well. You can just see how it's just kind of missing the protection and the stain. And then we're going to do more of the same down here. This is actually a different species, but you can just tell. These little TLC guys. Look right there. Of course, look right there too. So it's going to be a good one. Small job, but a little more in the closet area too, as you guys can see on the corners. Right there. We're going to take care of that farm. We're going to do the closet as well and get it back to its original glory or close to it. And they can enjoy these floors for years to come. So again, you can recap. This is a same-day service, maintenance, hardwood floor service called a screen recoating or a buff and coat, if you will. And this is a great option if you want to revive your hardwood floors without the hassle of traditional sanding. And this is done the same day. You can walk on, of course, a few hours after we're finished as well. So more information on that, check us out at 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐿.com. All right, guys, we'll make it started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting a good cut, as you guys can see. It's going good. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐿.com. Nice. All right, guys, just abraded these steps. Good cut. I'll start braiding the hallway area. Now we're going to tack it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it's going good. We're tacking this now. Getting all the old finish up. It's going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. Hey, guys, we're out here in St. Louis, Missouri, doing a screen and recoat for a client that was a referral. We're doing a hallway and some steps, and then we're going to do a satin sheen on there and do a small color correction. And they are excited, guys. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, we just tacked these floors. These are braided. Now we're going to tack it, clean it again, and put a coat on. Satin sheen. Stay tuned. Putting our trusty neutral cleaner on there. Ayo, let's go. Available in our shop and on our truck. Beautiful. All right, guys, I am rolling the first coat. Satin sheen, water-based polyurethane. This will dry in about 2-3 hours. Come back, put another coat on. Another happy client, guys. I already did my edging. And this client is gonna love it. Did the color correction. This floor is gonna look great. This is the sandless same-day service. Fraction of cost of sanding. Beautiful. Stay tuned. All right, guys, the color correction turned out well, and we just coated the top, and it's going good. Hey, let's go. Beautiful. All right, guys, coating these steps. They're gonna paint these risers white. All is well. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're getting ready to put a second coat on, but look how good these floors look. Color correction is corrected, satin sheen. Same day service, I'm walking on it. The client's gonna love it. Saved her floors. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, we did the steps, we did this hallway. We saved this floor from being sanded and refinished. Did a small color correction with the satin sheen. This is the first coat. We're getting ready to do a second coat. But guys, check it out. Save this floor. Wow. Beautiful. All right. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys, there's the last coat. Looks good.